Suppose you take a spring. Okay, now if you stretch the spring, suppose you apply a very small force, medium force, and very high amount of force. Then that is once you leave, like once let's release the stretch. Then what will happen? Immediately it will bounce back, right? So from that, what information can you exploit? That is, if when you are stretching, that means it is a positive displacement. Suppose in the right side it is positive or in the left side it is negative, whatever. X is increasing, that means position variable, that is it is gaining its amplitude. And that is, as much as you stretch, then like as much as the value of the displacement that is like increases, the force with the restraining force will also increase, because already it has a inertia property. Then it will bounce back. Now that is, can you understand the analogy?
Sir, the state change, the displacement changes opposite to the acceleration. It is proportional but negatively proportional.
That is when, that is suppose you are stretching, so displacement is increasing in the positive side, then the restraining force will try to get it back to its initial condition, right?
F is equal to minus x.
So now here also more or less, although these two are not exactly the same, but it's an analogy. Here how does it work? Now you just look at the graph. In this case, suppose if we don't know the exact solution, but suppose for a particular time period, that is xt, suppose its value is increasing. Okay, then according to this graph, if x increases, then what will happen? X dot, that means rate of change, will also increase. So x increasing will imply that is x dot t, that will also increase. Then if the rate of change increases and that too in the same direction, then what will happen? X will increase further. X will increase further. I am giving two arrows. Then that will cause the further acceleration. That will cause even further increment in the x. That is the logic. The same thing will happen, that is if you consider in the third quadrant. Suppose f is going negative, then the negative rate of change will increase. That is directly cause further increment in the x value in the negative direction. Then it's like a chain reaction.